If you've ever made a comment on someone's post on Instagram and you are wondering, oh, how do I find my old comments? Maybe it's a very funny comment you made and you feel like the comment is going to haunt you. Here's how to find it. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the menu icon. Click your activity. Here you will find the video you've liked in the past. Below the likes, you will see comments. Click on it. And this is where you can find all the comments you've ever made on someone's post on Instagram. If you are looking for an old comment, you can sort them by selecting newest to oldest or oldest to newest, depending on what you need. Or you can click on all dates and filter your comments. You can choose options like maybe last week, last month, or last year. Even select a custom range by entering your starting date and your ending date. Then you click apply. Now you will only see comments made within that time frame. If you are ever searching for a particular comment under a particular celebrity's post, all you simply need to do is to click on all authors, search for the person's name, click apply, and you will see the comment right there. Then you can delete it. For more quick and easy tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on all post notifications. Bye for now.